Welcome to InstaLearn AI, Google Cloud Data Engineer Certification Prep. Hands-on tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to load data into BigQuery. Step by step, we will be using the Google Cloud Console for this entire process. BigQuery is Google's fully managed and serverless data warehouse. It allows you to analyze large datasets using SQL without managing any infrastructure. With BigQuery, you can query large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. You only pay for what you use. In this video, we will work with a dataset of New York City taxi trips. This will help you understand how data is loaded and analyzed in BigQuery. What you will learn in this video: how to load data into BigQuery from different sources, how to use the Google Cloud Console, and how to create tables using SQL. To begin, log in using your student ID or your own Google Cloud account. Then open the Google Cloud Console. Open the navigation menu. Select BigQuery. The BigQuery console will open. Click Done if you see the welcome message. Step 1. Create a new dataset. A dataset in BigQuery is a container used to organize tables. You can think of a dataset like a folder, and tables are files inside that folder. Datasets help you logically group related tables together. In the Explorer panel, locate your project ID. Click the three dots next to it. Then click Create Dataset. Set the dataset ID to Nick Taxi. Leave all other settings as default. Then click Create Dataset. You will now see the Nick Taxi dataset under your project. Step 2. Load data from a CSV file. In this step, you will upload a CSV file into BigQuery. First, download the dataset file to your computer. In the BigQuery console, select the Nick Taxi dataset. Click Create Table. Under Source, choose Upload. Select the CSV file you downloaded. Set the file format to CSV. Under Destination, set the table name to 2018 trips. Enable Auto Detect for the schema. Leave all other settings as default. Click Create Table. The table will now be created. Select the 2018 trips table. Go to Details to see information such as table ID and number of rows. You will see that the table contains 10,018 rows. Now go to the Preview tab to confirm that the data has been loaded correctly. Step 3. Run a SQL query. Now let's analyze the data. In the query editor, run a query to find the top 5 most expensive trips. Select all records from the table. Order them by fair amount in descending order. Limit the result to 5 rows. Run the query and review the results. The highest fair amount is 300. You can also save queries in shared queries if you want to reuse them later. Step 4. Load additional data from cloud storage. Now we will load more data into the same table. In the Google Cloud Console, you can use Cloud Shell to run commands. Run the BigQuery load command to load another dataset from cloud storage. This will append new data to the existing table. Once the process is complete, return to BigQuery. Open the table details again. You will notice that the number of rows has increased. Now the table contains 20,024 rows. You can run the same query again to see if the results have changed. The highest fair amount is still 300. Step 5. Create a new table using SQL. Now we will create a new table using SQL. In the query editor, write a query to create a table called January_trips. Select all records from the 2018 trips table. Filter the data where the pickup month is January. Run the query to create the new table. Now query this table. Sort the results by trip distance in descending order. Limit the result to one row. This will show the longest trip in January. The trip distance is 28.04. You have now learned how to load and analyze data in BigQuery using the Google Cloud Console. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.